come back again with another beautiful stitch pattern. This is called twin rib. Look at this, it's the wrong side, this is the right side. Pulse of 6, 12 stitches for this. This is row 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then knit 3, purl 3, set again, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. I cast on 12 stitches for this pattern, and again this is the second row, and we follow knit 1, purl 1. One, 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. And now you follow row 1 and then row 2. I'll come back with another few rows. After few rows, our twin rib pattern look like this. This is the wrong side, this is the right side. Both sides are same. I hope you enjoy my video. I will come with another beautiful stitch pattern. Okay, see you. Bye bye.